Hi guys, welcome back to TipRanks. My name is Annika and here at TipRanks we love to hear what you guys think of different stocks you're looking at and your opinions on the market sentiment. Tech stocks have had a volatile start in 2022, ever since the Federal Reserve said that they're going to be aggressively fighting inflation. Now, for us investors, I see this as an opportunity, as a lot of the tech stocks have shown dips, but their fundamentals have not necessarily changed, and some of them are showing strong fundamentals that could show us upside potential throughout 2022. Well, today we're looking at two tech stocks that analysts deem a buy, and both have incredible upside potential. If you can see on TipRanks, the analysts' top stocks, the analyst consensus by sector seems to be most strong in technology stocks. And in this sector, FuboTV is one of them. It's deemed a strong buy with a $39.5 price target, and this is a 201.07% upside from where we're at. The current price is $13.12. The second stock is Sonos, and its ticker is SONO, and it's deemed a strong buy with a $48.67 price target, which is a 75% upside, and the current price is $27.81. So let's look at the first stock, FuboTV, and its ticker is FUBO. FuboTV is an American television streaming service, and it focuses on live sports. They serve customers in the United States, Canada, and Spain. And they offer access to things like NFL, NBA, EPL, NHL, and many more. We've seen substantial growth in FuboTV in the last year. Taking a look at this article, FuboTV reached 1 million subscribers as of September 2021. And this meant that the live TV streaming platform delivered a record $156.7 million in revenue as of Q3 2021, and they raised their 2021 guidance. So, as of Q3 2021, they delivered triple-digit year-over-year growth during the third quarter, with the total paid subscribers up 108%, total revenue up 156% to $156.7 million, and advertising revenue up 147% to $18.6 million. Viewership hours also reached record highs, with FuboTV customers streaming 284 million hours of content during this quarter, and this was a 113% increase year over year. After this, FuboTV announced their preliminary fourth quarter 2021 results, and this included revenue and subscriber growth, which was expected to increase their prior guidance. So in fourth quarter 2021, total revenue is expected to be between $215 to $220 million, and this is an increase of 105 to 109% year over year. Prior guidance was $205 to $210 million for the fourth quarter. They also expect their advertising revenue to be over $25 million, and this is an increase of 90% year over year, crossing an annual run rate of $100 million. They also expected their total paid subscribers at the year end to be more than 1.1 million, and this is an increase of more than 100% year over year, compared to prior year guidance, which was 1,060,000 subscribers or 1,070,000 subscribers at year end. In recent news, FuboTV acquired Premier League rights in Canada. They announced on the 13th of January that they are going to be the exclusive home to the Premier League, England's top soccer league, in the Canadian market for the next 3 seasons beginning 2022 to 2023. FuboTV will exclusively carry all 380 Premier League matches each season and shoulder programming on its growing Canadian platform throughout 2024 and 2025 season. All of their content will be streamed live on their FuboTV and on their linear channel Fubo Sports Network. In December, Fubo Sportsbook also officially launched in Arizona. The launch in Arizona is in partnership with the AK Chin Indian community, and this expands Fubo Sportsbook's presence in the US following last month's launch in Low A. Earlier this year, Fubo Gaming received regulatory approvals to operate as the management service provider to the AK Chin Indian community to go live with mobile betting operations within the state of Arizona. The company has also obtained market access agreements in 4 other states, including Pennsylvania via the Cordish companies, Indiana and New Jersey via Caesars Entertainment, and Iowa via Casino Queen. Fubo Gaming expects to announce the launch of Fubo Sportsbook in additional markets subject to requisite regulatory approvals. Not to mention, they've had another show come to their Fubo Sports network. The Gaming Society football show with Dave Anderson and Michael Vick has come to Fubo Sports network under a new distribution agreement. Earlier this year, FuboTV also announced successful completion of Molotov SAS acquisition, and this acquisition is expected to close in the first quarter of 2022. There are expected synergies between FuboTV and Molotov's technology, and the teams are expected to enable both companies to continue on paths of accelerated growth in their respective home countries and leveraging their capability to improve both business models with greater scale. Molotov offers direct-to-consumer live TV streaming services, and it has advertising video on demand services, which is called Mango, that combines nearly 4 million monthly active users in France. This platform will allow FuboTV to access new markets and languages. It will allow them to facilitate efficient launches in different countries, especially in order to expand their global footprint and launch interactive sports and entertainment streaming on a global scale. FuboTV also announced the completion of Edis N.AI acquisition. This is an AI-powered computer vision platform with patent-pending video recognition technologies based in Bangalore, India. This acquisition is aimed to drive FuboTV's mission to create a more interactive and immersive live TV experience. Earlier this year, FuboTV launched a predictive free-to-play games and fan view, which is a feature that adds live stats and scores to the sports viewing experience. So after they launched Fubo Sportsbook in November, which is the next generation mobile sportsbook purpose-built, this can help them ensure it becomes a more immersive experience so that they can recognize and track key objects in live video feeds and further innovate its interactive capabilities experience. The second stock is Sonos, and its ticker is SONO. Sonos is an American developer and manufacturer of audio products. They are best known for their multi-room audio system. In fact, in my house, we have Sonos speakers that allow you to listen to audio from different parts of the house. Sonos recently was in the news against Google. They said that Google violated Sonos' patents. Sonos claimed that Google got a look at how their system worked back in 2013 when the company was pitching to integrate with Google Play Music. It believes that Google blatantly and knowingly, quotation marks, copied Sonos when it made the Google Home speaker. Well, the final ruling by the US International Trade Commission has confirmed that Google infringed on 5 Sonos patents. They seem to be all around the speaker groups, including setting them up and controlling them. And once Sonos won this court ruling, the Sonos stock rallied in price. Sonos also reported record fiscal year and fourth quarter 2021 results. Their revenue increased by 29% to $1.7 billion. They also had gross margin increase by 410 basis points to 47.2%. Their net income also increased to $158.6 million, and this was from a net loss of $20 million last year. Their adjusted EBITDA also increased by 157% to $278.6 million. Their free cash flow also increased to $207.7 million compared to $129 million in the previous year. Sonos has also been accelerating their product and organizational development with 2 dynamic leaders. Their new member, Shaiman Brahman, joined as the company's executive management team as its Chief Diversity, Equity, and Inclusion Officer. Rebecca Zavin also joined as Senior Vice President. It's always reassuring when we see a company expanding their management team. This is usually so that they can strategize and drive the company into further progressive direction. Another reassuring news is that Sonos announced a $150 million stock repurchase program and a completion of the previous stock repurchase program. It's usually a confidence indicator when a company repurchases its own stock. And Patrick Spence, Sonos' CEO, commented that we have just completed a record fiscal 2021 and are confident in the long-term growth, profit, and cash generation of our model. We are committed to driving long-term shareholder value. Our strong balance sheet enables us to implement this new repurchase program while continuing to invest in our long-term roadmap and maintaining our flexibility to pursue new strategic opportunities. Earlier this year, Sonos had also unveiled next generation Beam with support for Dolby Atmos and the new audio formats. So Sonos had announced earlier this year their Beam Generation 2, which is a new version of their leading compact smart soundbar for TV, gaming and more. And they revealed plans to offer both Ultra HD and Dolby Atmos music later this year via Amazon Music, giving listeners the ability to experience the highest quality streaming music and immersive audio. So it seems like there's great news in the pipeline for FuboTV and Sonos. Let us know what you guys think of these two tech stocks in the comments below. And if you made it this far, don't forget to hit that like button and that subscribe button and that bell notification so that you get informed on when the TipRanks channel releases a video. And also remember, this is not financial advice. Make sure you do your own research. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!